Which perception of God is true? Is it true that God is one? Is it true that the divine is a trinity? Is God a male or a female? Or is God androgynous? Or is God neither? Is God all things or no thing at all? Religions that were born to unify humanity have fought for centuries over these questions. They have killed each other, claiming their perception alone is true. Now let me ask you a question. When do you fight and argue and go for war over an idea with another? Only when you are afraid your idea will be defeated by another. Or when you are ambitious about converting the whole world to your viewpoint. But it's not every perception only a viewpoint. Imagine you are standing at the birthplace of a river. You have one view. When you stand and watch the river tumble down the edge of a mountain, you have another view. When you stand at the mouth of a river, where the river empties itself into the ocean, you have yet another view. All of these views are different views of the same river. Which of these is false? And which of these is the only truth? Is it not the same with God or the divine? Every perception is only one experience and never ever the only true experience. The essence of true religion is humility that is born of a direct personal experience. If ever there is arrogance and violence in the name of religion, it shows a complete lack of direct experience. It merely shows vain ambition. Instead of being ambitious in the name of wealth or power, you are now using the name of religion, which I would say is far more ugly and far more dangerous. Peace arises from humility. Humility arises from wisdom. Wisdom arises from a direct personal transcendental experience.